Hey guys, welcome back to Lala's Lounge. I'm going to be doing a DIY hair mask. So if you want to do some DIY stuff on your hair and don't want to worry about like having to go out and buy all these different products, these are some cheap alternatives. So the first thing you're going to need is avocado. Avocado is really good for your hair. A lot of people use avocado oil. So I just put a whole avocado in my Ninja blender and I mix it with the residue hair oil mix and fenugreek seeds that I had in my mixer jar that I have already poured into my little container to put on my hair. And I also added honey to it. I'm sorry I did not record myself making this or measuring anything out. You just eyeball it however much you want as far as the honey and whatever oil you like. You can use castor oil, you can use olive oil, you can use a mix, whatever you want. So that's what's here in this bowl. And I also added water because it was kind of thick. I need to be able to use water to get it thinned out so that I can apply it better. So my hair is just freshly washed. I don't have any product or anything in it, and I just sectioned it off in 4 sections so I can easily put the product on. You're also going to need a wide tooth comb so that you can comb the product through, detangle your hair, all that good stuff. So let's see. I have never actually used this before. I have used avocado oil on my hair, but never actual avocado. And I hope that this doesn't like take forever to be washed or washed out when it's time for me to wash it out. I probably will leave this in my hair for about 2 hours. You don't have to leave it in your hair that long, but I probably will just so I can get a really good deep condition. And I'm going to use a heat cap while I have this in my hair, so hopefully it penetrates through really well. So here's how it looks put in. And we're going to see. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm on the last little section in the front. I probably, if I do this again, I probably would not add would not crush up the fenugreek seeds and put it in there because I feel like it made it like super gritty. And I don't know if it's just hard to get avocado to like be smooth, but it's not really that smooth. And I had water in it to kind of blend it down, but I don't know. I don't like the texture, so I really feel like this is going to be really bad when it's time to rinse it out. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to I'm probably going to have to like shampoo this out, which I really didn't want to do, but we're going to see if it comes out easily or not when it's time to rinse. So maybe like once I put my hair under the heat, maybe it'll like melt it down some. I don't know, but this is how it looks. I do feel like it did do something to my curls because as soon as I put it on, it was like curls was popping. So I don't know if it's the avocado or if it's the other stuff. I'm just gonna put the rest of it on top because this is my trouble prop area right here. This little crown section. So I always try to give that some extra love, and I always want to give my ends extra love, but I'm kind of worried on how I'm gonna scoop it up and put it in because it's like thick, but it's not that thick. So I already got it all over the floor. I'm going to separate this actually and put it in 2 twists so that when I put the heat cap on, it can get to the roots a little bit better in the middle. And then, see, like my curls they fire, but again, I don't know if it's the avocado or the oil or the honey helping it pop like that. It's probably not the avocado though, because I use that other stuff all the time and it don't do this. without like some kind of gel or something. Okay, so alright, so I am back and I just washed out the avocado mix that I just made, and let me just say that I will do a lot of things differently next time I do this. For one, I'm not going to use the fenugreek seeds because they are still in my hair. I can feel them in little bitty like grittiness, but they're still in my hair. And two, when I get done blending everything up, I'm going to, yeah, like you can see the freaking seeds. And I washed it afterwards and it's still in my hair. Whatever. I'm going to use a sieve to sieve through the, and the only thing is I'm going to use a sieve to sieve through like the avocado mix before I apply it to my hair so that it's as thin as possible, because it took forever to rinse out just that part. And like I can still see the fenugreek seed bits in my hair, even though I use soap. Like I use shampoo after I rinse this out. I use oil. It's just gonna have to be in there until I wash my hair again. I'm sorry, I'm tired, and it's it ain't gonna hurt it. But I can say that my hair felt like it still feels very soft, and that's probably because I added that honey in there, and it just feels like very healthy and, you know, thick and all that good stuff. It feels good. It feels like I got some nourishment in it. So I left it in from 6:30 until it's 9:30 now. But really it was like 7 when it was 9:40. So I left it in there for a long time. So from like 7 o'clock until 9:40. And you do not have to leave it in there that long if you decide to do it. But that's just, I was watching TV, I was doing other stuff, so it worked out for me. So yes, I will do this again, but I will not use fenugreek seeds, and I will sieve the avocado before I try to pour it in my hair because this stuff is thick and it takes a lot to rinse it out. So now what I'm going to do is my normal routine and just do some twist outs, and that's going to be the end of that. If you guys have ever used avocado in your hair, tell me what process you do, how you prepare it, and what do you mix with it. All right, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.